Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. Today we're looking at the NutriBullet Personal Blender, one of the most popular compact blenders on the market. Let's break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with simplicity. Just push, twist, and blend, no complicated buttons or settings. It's powerful enough for smoothies, shakes, and even light sauces thanks to a 600-watt motor and durable stainless steel blades. Its compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or offices, and the blending cups double as travel cups, so you can blend and go. Cleanup is also easy, just twist off the blades and rinse, while the cups are top-rack dishwasher safe. On the downside, the motor is strong but not built for heavy-duty blending. It struggles with tougher ingredients like frozen fruit chunks, nuts, or ice if you overload it. The cups are also on the smaller side, so it's best for single servings, not big batches. And while it's durable, it's noisier than some higher-end blenders. So is it worth it? If you're after quick smoothies or shakes and want something small, simple, and affordable, the NutriBullet Personal Blender is a solid choice. But if you're looking for larger capacity or heavy-duty blending, you may want to consider a more powerful model. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.